Ever dreamt of becoming a Java developer but found yourself lost on where to begin? No worries. Today, a clear, manageable roadmap is about to unfold, leading the way from a novice to a sophisticated Java developer. Step 1. Grasp the basics. Start by learning the essential fundamentals of Java. Understanding concepts like variables, data types, operators, control statements, and loops are the foundation stones of your Java journey. There are countless tutorials available online to get you started. Step 2. Master object-oriented programming. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means it revolves around objects and classes. Familiarize yourself with concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. These concepts will be your guiding light as you delve deeper into Java. Step 3. Explore Java libraries and frameworks. Libraries and frameworks are tools that can help you simplify your coding process. Libraries like Apache Commons, Google Guava, and JodaTime, and frameworks such as Spring and Hibernate are widely used in the Java world. Step 4. Data structures and algorithms. Learning about data structures and algorithms will improve your problem-solving skills and make you a better coder. They'll help you understand how to organize and store data effectively and how to execute tasks efficiently. Step 5. Delve into databases. A good Java developer needs to be well-versed in SQL and database management. You need to understand how to interact with databases using Java and how to manipulate data. Step 6. Understand Java APIs. APIs, or application programming. Interfaces are a set of rules and protocols for building software applications. Java provides many APIs for accomplishing different tasks, such as networking, database connection, utilities, XML parsing, and many more. Step 7. Tackle real projects. It's time to put your knowledge to the test. Start working on real-life projects. This could be anything from a simple calculator app to a more complex e-commerce website. Real-life projects will give you hands-on experience and help you understand the intricacies of Java programming. Step 8. Keep learning. The world of Java is vast and constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in Java. Join online communities, participate in coding challenges, and never stop learning. In summary, the journey to becoming a Java developer starts with learning the basics, mastering object-oriented programming, exploring libraries and frameworks, understanding data structures and algorithms, delving into databases, understanding Java APIs, tackling real projects, and most importantly, continuous learning. It may seem like a long journey, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. So start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next Java expert.